In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your Google Meet call history. Whether you're catching up on past meetings or reviewing who attended your calls, accessing your call history in Google Meet is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to the Google Meet website. You can easily find it by typing Google Meet into your browser or simply going to meet.google.com. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button, usually located at the upper right corner of the page. Give it a click. This step is crucial, as you need to be signed into your Google account to access your call history. Once you click Sign In, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you'd like to use. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to choose the one associated with your Google Meet usage. This will ensure you're accessing the correct call history. If you can't see the account you want to use, there's an option to add another account. Simply follow the prompts to enter your credentials. After selecting your account, you'll be asked to enter your password. Take a moment to type it in carefully. Once you've done that, click Next to proceed. Ensuring your password accuracy is important, as any mistakes will redirect you back to try again and could cause unnecessary delays. With your correct account details entered, the Google Meet home screen will appear. Here, you'll see a few options along the top of the page. Look for the Calls button. Sometimes it might just show as an icon, depending on your screen size or browser. Clicking on this will take you to the Call History page. Now, you're in. You can scroll through your list of calls and easily see details about each one. This is where you can check the dates and times of past meetings, as well as see who participated and for how long. It's a great resource for keeping track of your meeting history and ensuring you have all the information you might need from previous calls. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you now have full access to your Google Meet call history. If you frequently use Google Meet for work or personal meetings, knowing how to access your call history can be incredibly useful. If you find yourself forgetting details of past meetings or need to verify attendance, you now know exactly where to go. Thanks for watching, and have a great day exploring Google Meet.